Fuga for Musicians Honest Review. Watch before using. Fuga is a comprehensive digital distribution platform designed specifically for professional musicians, labels, and music businesses looking to streamline the distribution, monetization, and management of their content. If you're an artist seeking to expand your reach on major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon, Fuga offers you powerful tools to achieve this. One of its standout features is its robust analytics system, giving you real-time insights into your streams, downloads, and listener demographics. It's also built with global scalability in mind, allowing you to manage releases across multiple territories seamlessly while offering localized support for different regions. Additionally, Fuga is designed for industry professionals, providing API integrations for labels to manage rights and royalties efficiently. Fuga isn't for hobbyists or casual musicians. It's made for artists and labels that need high-level control over their distribution, with support for complex release strategies like managing pre-orders, drops, and catalog migration from other platforms. Another noteworthy feature is its vast network of DSPs, digital service providers, making it easier for musicians to get their music on both well-known platforms and niche streaming services around the globe. If you're an independent artist or a label looking for flexible yet professional distribution options, Fuga gives you the ability to handle both large and small-scale releases with ease. On the downside, Fuga comes with a learning curve. It's highly technical, which may be overwhelming for newcomers to the industry. The platform is also priced at the premium end, so if you're just starting out and don't have a solid distribution budget, it might not be the best choice for you. However, for those who need an all-encompassing solution with global reach and in-depth analytics, Fuga is one of the best choices available on the market. In conclusion, Fuga is a powerful platform designed for serious musicians and labels who need complete control over their distribution and revenue. If you fit into that category and have the resources, Fuga can be a game changer for your music business.